back to Mini Lessons with Miss H, and today we're doing page 128, Unit 3, Week 3, and we're focusing on the genre text feature. So, text features are a way the author communicates or gives us information without writing it in words. So, a text feature could be a photograph, a caption, bold words. It could be in a chart, a diagram, a map, a graph. There's so many ways an author, or there's a variety of ways or flavor of ways authors give us information, right? So we've been learning about text features these 2 weeks. And the first thing I want you to do is I want you to read the selection by yourself, and then I want you to answer those 4 questions by yourself, all right? So I'm going to give you 5 minutes to do this. Ready, set, go. So now Ms. Hernandez will read it with you, for you, or with you. Yeah, read it with me as best as you can. And then we're going to answer the questions together. And Ms. Hernandez, I will answer them orally. Orally means I'm not going to write the answers down anymore. But you can check if your answer is correct based on what I'm saying, right? Or similar. A friendly city for bikes. Sarah Cruz lives in Austin, Texas. The mayor asked her for ideas to improve bike safety. Now, Sarah and many other people have helped make Austin a friendly city for bikes. So this is a photograph of Sarah Cruz. How do we know that? The caption at the bottom tells us. Sarah Cruz was the leader of the bike safety group in Austin. Answer the questions about the text. Number 1. How can you tell that this text is narrative nonfiction? Narrative nonfiction. So, what did we learn about narrative nonfiction? Narrative nonfiction tells a story about a person, right? And it usually has a photo and a caption. So that's how we know this is a narrative nonfiction, all right? So if you put that it tells us a story about a person and usually has a photograph and a caption, then you got a little happy face there, all right? Number 2. How has Sarah Cruz helped out in Austin? So, what's the purpose of the author? Like, what key detail did the author give us that Sarah did and helped, right? Her community in Austin. What did she do? She has helped to make Austin a friendly city for bikes. So that's for number 2. All right? Number 3. Why does the author include a photo? The author includes a photo to show how Sarah Cruz looks, all right? They want us to imagine her as we're reading the story, how she looks. Number 4, what information can you learn from the caption? Right here. The information we can learn from the caption is that Sarah Cruz was the leader of the group in Austin. So she was the leader of the bike group, right? The bike safety group in Austin. How do we know that? It says it right here. Sarah was the leader of the bike safety group in Austin. So this was number 4. And my expectation is that you do this. It includes a photo so we can see her. Okay. How has she helped out in Austin? That was number 2. And how do we know it's narrative nonfiction? It tells us Sarah, 1, photo, and caption. Okay? So that's it. Let me know how many of them you got right. So out of 4 questions, how many did you get right? Put it right at the top because that's what Ms. Hernandez is checking for now, all right? I want to see how many of this you got correctly, how many of these questions you got correctly by yourself, all right? Until next time, bye!